Welcome back to the Street Arc. I'm back with another brand new tour, and today we're stepping into a masterpiece of minimalist luxury. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the full reveal. If you caught our last video, you remember that insane island-style compound, the one surrounded by water on all sides, complete with a private basketball court, bowling alley, and massive theater. Well, guys, we found something just as spectacular today. But here is the catch. We're looking at a much more exclusive price point compared to that last mega mansion. Today, we are in the heart of San Diego, California. This is an incredible listing that's actually live on Zillow right now. 884 Entrada de Luz San Diego. We are talking about a 6,009 square foot architectural gem sitting on over an acre of prime land. You've got 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and a design that is built to impress. The seller is asking $66.995 million, and let me tell you, every dollar shows. So let's get into the tour. Wow, guys, just look at this curb appeal. This isn't just a house, it's an eye-catching architectural statement. And check this out, it's a corner plot. That means dual-side accessibility, which, as any investor will tell you, is massive for demand and privacy. We've seen the outside, and it's already a showstopper. Now let's head inside and see what this minimalist beauty is really made of. Did you catch that wooden ceiling? The texture, the warmth, it completely elevates the entire aesthetic of the home. And look closely, they've integrated glass roof tiles, so the space is constantly bathed in natural, filtered sunlight. It's absolutely brilliant. Now, let's move into the bedroom wing. What I love here is the intentional placement of these windows. Every single room is framed to capture the surrounding greenery. Who wouldn't want to wake up to that nature view every single morning? You can see how each bedroom feels like its own private retreat with its own distinct personality. And check out this primary bathroom. I'm a huge fan of how they've invited the outdoors in with this natural light. It keeps the space feeling fresh and incredibly positive. Plus, they've thought of everything. You've got a dedicated laundry room and a massive custom walk-in closet for all your accessories. Now, welcome to the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen. This is easily one of the largest kitchens I've toured this year. It flows directly out to the garden lawn, making it perfect for hosting. talking professional-grade Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, custom cabinetry, and a dedicated pantry that's a grocery lover's dream. Oh, and look at this dining setup right next to the built-in barbecue grill. Talk about the ultimate indoor-outdoor dining experience. But wait, we're not done. This place is an entertainer's playground. We have a high-end private theater, a dedicated gaming room, and this serene lounge area, perfect for morning meetings or just relaxing with a newspaper and a view. And of course, there's a table tennis area to keep things fun. But my favorite part, the pool deck. You have this incredible open-air vanishing-edge pool that feels like you're floating above the hills. And right next to it, your own private sauna and steam room. Imagine a quick steam session followed by a dip in the pool. It's a 10 out of 10 lifestyle, no question. So guys, what did you think of this California's masterpiece? Is this your dream setup? Drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to The Street Architect for more exclusive tours. For today, I'm signing out. See you in the next one.